Hello dear students, let us study one more important questions, that is the Intext question for we people. Let us have a look at that particular question. So the question tells us that do basic solution also have H plus ion concentration? If yes, then why are these basic? So let us answer this question. Aqueous solution means solution in water. If there is an aqueous solution, it must have some H plus and OH minus ion aqueous ions present in it, because H2O plus H2O, that gives us the H3O plus OH minus, or in other words H2O in H2O, that gives us the H plus and OH minus ion. This H plus reacts with H2O and produces H3O plus and OH minus ions. So this is how we can truly understand about the reaction, that is finally H2O plus H2O, that gives us the H3O plus and OH minus. Now if pH is equal to 7, then the concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of OH minus. That means pH is equal to 7, then the solution is a neutral solution. If pH is greater than 7, then the concentration of, if pH is less than 7, I am sorry my dear students, if pH is less than 7, then the concentration of H plus is greater than the concentration of OH minus ions. That means the solution is acidic in nature. But if pH is greater than 7, then the concentration of H plus is less than the concentration of OH minus ions, and thus the solution is basic. So even my dear students, these basic solution have H plus ion concentration, but H plus ion concentration is less than the concentration of OH minus ions, and that is why the pH of solution is more than 7, and that is why they are basic in nature. Now we are going to study the next question for we people, my dear students. So let us study the next Intext question for us. The Intext question says that under what soil conditions do you think the farmer would treat the soil of his field with quicklime, which is also known as calcium oxide, or slacked lime, which is also known as calcium hydroxide, or chalk, which is known as the calcium carbonate? So with what condition the farmer should treat them with these substances? Let us understand the answer. All three substances given in the questions, quicklime, that is your calcium oxide, which is known as CaO, slacked lime, which is your calcium hydroxide, that is also known as CaOH twice, and chalk, which is your calcium carbonate, the formula is CaCO3. All these three are basic salts. So if a farmer treat his soil with basic substances, it might be the condition of decrease in the pH of soil, maybe due to acid rain, excessive use of fertilizer, or maybe some other reasons. So when a farmer treats his land or his soil with the various types of basic salts, then we can say that there is a decrease in the pH of the soil. My dear students, here we complete the studies about the acids and base, and now we are going to study about the salts. So we shall start studying the salts into the next period. I hope my dear students you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.